Hi, I'm Manjushri. I'm Shweta. We are from Aditya Vidyashram.
And we are making the AI-based hand gesture control.
This is how it works.
When all fingers are up, all the bulbs glow. And when one finger goes down, one bulb goes down. And when three fingers go down, all the bulbs go down. This project can be used in various domains like traffic management. During peak hours, when the traffic police operates manually, they can use this gesture control to make their work easier and efficient, and they can also reduce the physical infrastructure in those places.
This can also be used in emergency conditions. In public spaces, in case of emergency, you can just contact easily the emergency in case of necessary aids. If in public area, in case of emergency, in necessary to any accident, you can just contact the ambulance or any law enforcement. It can be contacted easily by just waving your hand.
It can be also used in hospitals. So if always there will be a emergency button after the patient. So in case if the emergency button is not working or some cases are not possible, we can use this hand gesture control.
Thank you.
Thank you.